This is a demonstration setup for part number SP855 Tool-X quad unit hydraulic for Crown equipment. This is unscripted, so bear with me as I go through this real quick. Four sides to a quad, each side is identical. What you have is you have an upper slide unit, a lower slide unit that's attached. You've got center locators. So what you do is you're going to attach your jaws. But before you attach your jaws, down here in the bottom there's a set screw. This is called the brake offset mechanism. What this does is it controls the amount of travel on when you open the bottom jaw up, so that you don't have to open it all the way up every time. This needs to be engaged just by tightening. So just tighten it with an Allen wrench so that it's hand tight. Don't over tighten it if possible. Next, you want to install the jaws. First, the center jaw, maybe a machine. Each center jaw is going to have a little idiot pinhole so that you orient the jaw the same way every time. It engages with a little dowel pin right here. Those just plug on and screw on. Hand tight is sufficient. You don't have to over tighten them. And then for the jaws that fit on top and bottom, they just snap on. There's a pocket with a couple of engagement pins. You lean it out like this, engage it, and snap it on. In this case, you lean it in and snap it on, just like that. To remove these jaws, you should have a tool that looks like this that came with your vise. You engage it from behind and twist up or sideways, and it'll pull them right off. To set your vise, there is an adjustment screw from the top right here with a 1/4 inch Allen wrench. Use this only to set the vise up. Do not use this to clamp the vise. So what I'm going to do is put a couple of work pieces in here and show you how this works. Like such. I'm going to have to open this up a little bit. You set your parts in here initially, and then close the vise shut all the way. You'll notice that the top jaw should close first, then the bottom jaw, and as you're closing the bottom jaw, you'll get so far and you'll feel a drag. That is the brake mechanism. That is fine. Go ahead and continue doing it all the way. Until it's tight. Don't over tighten it. This is clamped. Now, for the hydraulic actuation, you want to open the vise up. The bottom jaw will open first, and it's only going to travel a certain distance, approximately 1/4 inch. And then the upper one will open. Let me do that again. Clamp it all the way shut. Then open, the bottom one opens first. Then the upper one opens. Open the upper one the minimal amount possible. The less travel on the upper one, the better. You have probably about 3/16 of an inch total max. Now your vise is set to run. So you can load your jaws in. Now you can actuate the hydraulics. Excuse me here. And actuate the hydraulics with the high pump on top. What you want to do is you just want to screw it, tighten it up, tighten it up. You'll notice that the jaws are coming together. Then once they're both together, you build pressure. Do not exceed 4,000 psi here on the gauge. Now you're clamped, ready to machine. When you're done machining, just open the vise, unclamp this all the way back up, and these will automatically open up. Pull your parts out, clean it off, set your parts back in, and reclamp. When you're done machining, here again, unclamp it. And you're ready to go to your next job. If everything stays the same, leave them on there. You need to pull them off, and put your other ones on. You may have to open up the vise all the way at this point to get your spacing right and just start over. I hope this helps give you a little better idea what's going on. If you have any questions, just give me a call here at TECO. My name's Kevin. I'll be glad to help you.